Jeez. It's quite the trench, dude. Looks good.
It's a good trench. So the reason I had to dig this in early March was because Enbridge decided in December that they didn't want to dig it themselves because they said it would cost $15,000 for them to dig it. That's what they told me.
Took you a day.
Yeah, $15,000 to dig this. For what would have been $1,000 in rentals, maybe, this Thawzall right here to thaw the ground and a mini excavator for, I've used it for like maybe 3 hours, and then this thing was dug from here to there. So Enbridge is putting in my gas line tomorrow, so I'll finally have
Oh, no way. Nice.
actual heat.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's soon.
and didn't even thaw all the way. Like you see over there, it kind of goes up. That part had a big slab of concrete because when my guys were doing the finishing on the concrete slab, they fucking just pulled all the excess right off and left a giant pool there. I didn't notice. Snow covered it, and I had my Thawzall thing on it, and it didn't thaw that part because it was on concrete.
Yeah. Damn it.
So
Would you say...
so that little section over there took me like an hour, and the rest of this took me like an hour.
Yeah, not bad.
No, not terrible.
Thaws most. It sounds like. Sounds like. Yeah, let's go. Amazing.
Cool, man. Well, thanks for all your help. I'll probably get her.
Yeah, man, no worries. Like just 4-4.